Hi everyone, I'm Chandrika Machvarapu. This is my Teach One presentation for question 2 from week 5 benchmarking clinicians in HAP 823. The following data report patients with 10 diagnostic related groups and 3 HCC indices cared for by a clinician and his peer group. This is the data given to us and it has 152 rows and 5 columns. The first step is we have to download and import the data into SQL Server. Here I'm converting the data types into float and saving them into a temporary table. The next step is we have to calculate the pattern of care by clinicians. After declaring the attribute as float, then set the attribute by counting IDs from the original data where doctor is equals to clinician. We have to follow the next steps like calculating the length of stay, counting IDs and saving them into a temporary table. Here we are calculating the pattern of care by peer group. Here we are specifying where condition as doctor equals to peer followed by changing the column names and saving them into a temporary table like we did in the previous steps. Now we are going to match clinician group and the peer group. This is the code I used. Here I specified some conditions and I used full join to join the clinician group and the peer group, and then I saved them into a temporary table and the data looks like this. This is the SQL code I used to calculate the overlap between clinician group and the peer group, and I got 81.48. Then we are switching probabilities and calculating the missing outcomes. This is the SQL code I used. I used inner join to join the temporary tables which I previously created by specifying where condition as doctor equals to peer and saving them into a temporary table. And the next step is calculating the overlap between clinician and peer group. The overlap is 100%. This is the final output. Here we need to specify length of stay for physician and his peer group to see that if clinician is more efficient than his peer group. This is the SQL code I used to conclude that length of stay for clinician group is 2.96 and length of stay for his peer group is 3.05. Clinician is more efficient than his peer group by 2.78%. Thank you for watching.